What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. As you can see, I have my um, blood red shirt on today. Um, Maybe I'll start doing that. I said yesterday, I did expect some type of pullback here shortly. This is before it closed yesterday. And for short and medium term, actually, I'm not going to share all this. That's for my premium group. Um, Anyways, you can peek at it if you want, pause the video, whatever. Um, Anyways, that's the type of information we give out in the premium group. So, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel. This is going to be a real short video. I actually mean that this time because I just want to show you one thing. I just want to show you how the indicator has performed today. By the way, we I just finished the numbers for October, and we are. Where's my indicator? Oh, it's up here. Um, so we have a bunch of people talking. An 81% win rate for September, and an 80. Actually, it wasn't our best month. The last month was our best month at 88% win rate. But we had an 87% win rate this past month. So, and days like today, I'll show you, are what make this indicator so powerful when there's a trend. Okay, so the 20% or so or less time that we take our losses, what's happening in those situations is there's no trend, or the play just takes too long to play out. The day ends type thing. But more often than not, it is because of um, there's no trend. Okay, so we started out here. This might not look like a big move. We pulled about 30% off this play right here to start. So even if you use the trailing stop loss, you had a win here. Then we had a nice 100% win here on this play, followed by a I think about 50-60% win on this one. And this one's still going. I closed my phone, but it's still around that point. So even if you stop out trailing stop loss on this one, you're still going to pick up 30, 40, whatever percent. So and it's that simple. Okay, what do? You're buying and you're selling. Okay, so with stocks, you can actually wait until we get a sell signal. With options, you can't do that. Okay, um, so the moves just happen too quick, and it's too volatile. So with the day trading, that type of stuff, you don't actually wait until you get a new signal. So you're taking profits at your percentage, whatever it may be, 10%, 20%, 25, 30, whatever your percentage may be, and your conditions may be. That's where you're taking profits at, or you're using what I prefer, which is a trailing stop loss. Okay, and I'll explain that in a different video. But I just wanted to show you how easy this indicator is. By the way, you see my other window here. Make sure you're liked and subscribed to this, because the next step to this I'm working on is automating this. So you will be able to do nothing. Okay, you set this up and it trades automatically for you. Okay, now that's a work in progress. It's going to take some time. Don't expect this in the next few weeks. But this is my goal to have this. This is my goal for next year, to have this up and running by Q1. Okay, by the start of the new year. So. Making progress with that. But in the meantime, all you have to do is follow the signals. I mean, it's dummy proof. You see a buy signal, you buy calls if you're day trading. If you see a sell signal, you buy puts, and it's that simple. And then you take your profits, and that's it, guys. Okay. So again, do you have something that is easier to follow than this? If so, leave it in the comments. I want to hear about it. And can I make this any easier for you guys? If so, let me know in the comments. All right. Do you think I'm full of shit? All right. If so, let's hear it in the comments. All right. I never mind uh, validating the things that I put out, because you guys should be skeptical when it comes to financial stuff. But the proof's in the pudding, guys. All right. This is not a repainting indicator. I've proved that in another video. So appreciate you guys watching, and catch you on the next one.